I'm Jason Swarts, the Arborist lead on campus. We're out here at the Arboretum at the University of Kentucky, and we're going to be removing this buckeye tree today. We have determined it is dead. All of the tree is like this. It's brittle, no life at all in it. What few buds are remaining are all dried up. Dropped the tree today, just standard notch and drop. Cut it at the base, fell it that way. We don't have to climb it, do any rigging. So we have taken some of the lower limbs off so we can access the trunk of it a little easier. And we have set a line over the top and anchored off at the base. When I make the face cut going this direction, Dustin will give assistance on the rope to help pull it the direction I'm going to fall it as I make the back cut. That way it's nice and controlled, a lot safer, a lot smoother, instead of just trying to use wedges and hope that it goes the way that we want it to.
Hello, my name is Alexei Afanasyev. This is for the class Arboriculture 597 or PLS 597. Today we were here felling a tree. I got to use a chainsaw, learn how to properly use a chainsaw. Got to wear all the protective gear, including these funny looking chaps. They're actually required by law, by OSHA, by any commercially run business. If the chainsaw hits your leg, it'll stop up the chain brake, and it will cause the chain to stop moving, therefore you don't lose your leg.
So the tree is on the ground now, and what we need to do is to chop it up, to take it apart so that we can dispose of the waste products, or to even better, to recycle it. What we're going to do is buck the tree, and that simply means we're going to take the branches off of the main part of the trunk. We start with the top of the tree and remove that greatest amount of weight up above it, rather than to take the side ones off that it might be resting on. And this will help to control the weight removal so that we do not have the tree actually rolling over on us. Arboriculture is something that you really need to pay attention to. I don't recommend that people that have never used a chainsaw or used it and never had any serious training, significant training, I do not recommend that they take down a large tree. Leave this to the professionals. They're trained in the safety and the safe removal of trees. So arboriculture is one of the most dangerous jobs in town, and we want to make sure that this is done in a safe manner.
All right, so now that the tree has been chipped up, it has been cleaned up and removed, we run it through the chipper. This is what comes out. And we actually use this around campus to mulch a lot of the trees, a lot of the mulch beds, the flower beds. And it's much cheaper than getting the black mulch that's been treated. It's better for the trees, and we have an abundance of it from all the pruning that we do and the occasional removals. Here at the Arboretum, they use a lot of the wood chips that we provide either for mulch or for walking paths. So we try to use everything to the fullest extent possible.